Looks like we're going on holiday! Yippee! Sit with Lucy. She'll look after you. No, puppy. You must buckle up. If you don't, you'll fall. Lucy, can you help him? Now we're safe and snug. Up and away we go. What's wrong, puppy? Tell him the safety rule, Lucy.
Window blinds need to be open during takeoff and landing. Am I right, Mommy?
You are right, honey.
Somebody's got a rumbly tummy.
Don't worry. Everything you need is here. Am I right?
It's super yummy snack time.
If you need something, just ask.
What would you like to eat?
Puppy power. Yum yum, fill your tum. Oh no, what's up? Puppy needs a pee-pee. Walk carefully. Don't run. You have to wait. Someone's in there.
If there is a red line on the door, that it's occupied. Am I right?
It's green. Now you can go. Everyone's relaxing now. Yikes! We're gonna enter a storm.
I'm scared.
Don't be afraid, honey. It's just turbulence.
Stay calm. It'll be over soon. Yeah, a clear sky again. Kids, look! We're landing! Was it fun?
I won't be afraid of flying anymore. Thank you.
Flying buddies forever! Wow, super cool sports car, Leo. Did you win? Yeah, Leo's #1. Oh, looks like Lucy doesn't agree. Aw, that's cheating. Wow, Lucy's so pretty in pink. What do you think, Mom and Dad? I guess they love the color too. Leo, Lucy doesn't like black. What's your idea, Lucy? What are we gonna color? All done! Jump in, Leo! Ready! Pink versus black car challenge! Lucy's leading! But not for long! Uh-oh! Watch out, Lucy! Oh no! Black paint! Uh-oh! Lucy's angry now! Looks like it's payback time! Pink paint cloud attack! And the winner is…
You crossed the finish line together.
Yeah, you're both winners! Black and pink together! Yippee! Road trip! No! Don't do that! Oh no! Super Cat's fallen!
Oh.
Look! He's hanging around!
Yeah.
Back we go! Reach high, Mom.
Yeah. Do not stick anything out of the car window.
Be good now, Leo. Oh, booming burp. Hey, Leo, don't litter. Yuck, so dirty.
Do not litter in the car.
Ah, garbage gremlins. What should you do, Leo? No! You're gonna cause an accident.
Are you okay? Leo, you can't throw trash out of the window.
I'm sorry.
Leo, go and pick it up. Where does it go? That's right, the trash can. Oops, Leo needs the toilet. Ugh, quick, Dad, pull over.
I want to go to the toilet.
It's okay, Leo. Here's a potty.
Meow.
Go behind the bushes so no one sees. Ah, he's found a bush.
Don't worry, I'm the best driver in the world.
Whoa, a mud bath. Wish, wash, car wash. Yikes, what's happening?
The monster wants to eat us!
It's not a monster, it's a car wash. And it's fun.
Look, bubbly, bouncy soap suds. The rollers are rocking it. Wowee!
We arrived.
Let the fun begin.
Round and round, the wheels on the bus go itsy spider climbed up the spout again.
The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the kitchen wall. Swoosh went the fan and made the spider fall. Up went the fan, no longer did it blow. So the itsy bitsy spider back up the wall did go.
The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the yellow pail. In came a mouse and licked her with his tail. Down fell the spider, the mouse ran out the door. Then the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the pail once more.
Looks like Leo's the bus driver today. Whoa! Fast cars!
This bus is too slow.
No, Leo. The bus driver's being safe. Don't press it, Leo. Ah! It's transformed into a demon. No! Red means stop. Leo, that's not safe. You're scaring people. Now you have to wait. What are you doing? You're not allowed on the sidewalk. Leo's a demon driver. Watch out! Stop the bus, Leo! You're dangerous! Oh no! Mom's boxes! Driving like this causes accidents.
Full speed ahead!
Leo, going fast isn't cool. No, girls, you don't want this bus. Yikes! Are you okay? Wow, good job, Dad. Oh no! You better start again. Stop right now! Ah! Hold tight, Leo! Try to stop it, Leo!
Oh no! We broke the side mirror!
Police officer, can you help? Leo, pull the bus over.
Stop the bus immediately.
Demon bus isn't listening. What's wrong? Uh-oh, bus can't see anything. It's out of control. Leo, quickly, get out. Oh no, it won't open. Go away, demon. We want Angel Bus back. Phew, police officers here. No more speedy races for you, Leo.
I'm sorry.
Obey traffic rules, and your car will obey you.
That's right. Yeah, Angel Bus is back. Well done, Leo. Safe drivers are the best. Yeah. Wow, Lucy and Leo are flying high. Go through them. Don't touch them. Lucy, do the challenges together. Watch out! You've got to dodge the rocks. There's so many. Look, a safety shield. Lucy's protected now. The rocks can't hurt her. Yikes! Leo, your airplane's broken. Quick, get the first aid kit. Yeah, you're safe. Careful, fly up and over the bricks. Oh, what's that? What does it do, Leo? Yuck, it drops poo bombs. Move, Lucy. Leo's dropping smelly poos. Bleh, stinky. Oh no, Lucy's trapped in a stink cloud. You're okay now. Open your eyes. Yikes, the airplane's out of control. No, the wings broke. Yeah, magic wings. They'll keep you safe. What's Leo seen? Wow, a golden airplane. Huh? What do you think? Aw, Leo, your airplane's cool, playing fast. You've got soup. Great flying, Lucy. What is it? Ah, a big block wall. What an awesome game!